Yeah, background music.
That gets distant hearts beating
Faster, faster. So testosterone buys and dance to this beat and hold the lover close. So testosterone buys and hold the good girl. Well, that's it. So I guess we're back. Man, swing the focus. Case I lost my pride. Land the top. Cup, cup. Pick up, pick up. Now I do recall. Play our background music. Music. Music on. Music on. Mm. Well, imagine. So pacing the pews in the church corridor, and I can't help but to hear. Now I can't help. What a shame, what a shame.
Good afternoon, ma'am. You're here in gay funeral service. What can I do for you? Yes, this is not actually a funeral, but a mental hospital. Thank you.
Lahat na nakakakilala sa akin, nananawagan po ako. Sana po maging maayos si Myong Myong.
Now we have here in the line. Okay.
Hello, hello? Hello, pwede makipag-phone pal? Pwede.
Hello, text ba to? Hello.
Sobrang
Oy,
Filipino
wag,
people.
wag, wag.
Bakit? I could stay awake just to hear you breathe.
I don't wanna miss one smile. Taas to.
Wanna miss one kiss.
I just wanna be with you, right here with you, just like this.
I just wanna hold you close. Ayoko nga sa camera. To feel your heart so close to mine.
And I stay here in this moment for the rest of time. Teka, nahinga ko. Hata! I don't wanna power to sleep.
Cause I miss you, baby. And I don't wanna miss a day.
Sweetest thing would never do. I still miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a day. I don't wanna miss a day.
He don't want to miss a day.
Eh,
Eng, eng.
I don't wanna miss a day.
Yeah. Anong team song nyo? Kahit nakapiling mo na siya, at huwag nang mangamba.
Yani, alas 3 na.
Ano? Ano ngayon?
Ikaw, dadalhin niyo pa.
Ate Anay, may ano pa sila, kababaihan? Ba... Kay... Um, sila. Ito po yung tatlo na nagagandahan sa bayan ng Abukay. Yung isa po si Shrek.
Candidate number 1.
Candidate number 1, Annie Rose
Ani
Atienza.
Rose Balabag.
Annie Rose Balabag. Tingnan niyo naman po. Itsura pa lang.
Itsura pa lang.
Di ba nanalo?
Hindi pa.
Miss Universe na. Miss Mars goes to
Miss Mars. And candidate number 2,
Miss Saturn.
Miss Saturn. Where?
Yeah, Bunel.
I'm candidate number 4 from New Road, California.
Ano ba to, straw?
China!
Ito ba yung pang first aid?
Oo, ito yung pang first aid. Pinagtatawanan tayo. Okay, that's enough.